Hi there. We're going to give 2 thumbs down to deleting drafts in the eBay app for items you want to sell and you have saved as a draft, and for whatever reason you can't figure out how to delete the draft, and that's completely understandable. I'll show you why. I'll show you why this is happening to me and why I want to delete a draft, and I'll show you how to delete the draft. And again, this is applicable to the eBay app for iOS or Android. You see I'm on my home page here on eBay. I want to go to the selling portion, and in the selling portion, if you scroll, it'll show you your drafts down here, right? So I've been on hiatus from eBay for a couple of months, dealing with a problem buyer. Finally got that cleared up. So I'm looking to bounce back. And I was going over my inventory, making sure that I still had everything. Because one of the worst things to ding your account on eBay is when you make a sale, then you can't fulfill that order because for whatever reason you don't have the item, or the item is damaged or not as described anymore or whatever. As I was going through that, somehow a draft was created. See, the thing with this draft is I was like, oh, well, I don't know why these shoes aren't listed, but I have them. And I look at all the information for the shoes and it all looks correct. So I go to list it and you'll see this error come up. This is just my situation and what led me to needing to delete a draft and then having a little bit of trouble deleting it. And I'll show you that. So it's giving me a listing error because it's telling me that I already have this item listed. And in fact, I do. I have an active listing for these shoes. So I wanted to delete this draft. So I hold my finger on it. And all that does is open it up to where you can edit it. That's not what I wanted to do. So I try to swipe a little left. That doesn't work. Try to swipe a little right. That doesn't work. So I open it and I figure, oh, okay, well, I just have to scroll to the bottom and that'll be, instead of listing it, there'll be an option to delete it, but that's not the case. So I'm getting annoyed because this isn't super intuitive. So how do I delete it? Well, you know what you have to do? You have to view all of your drafts. You have to go to like your draft hub, and we'll access that this way since I'm here by pressing see all. Now I have the opportunity. I have the opportunity to swipe left, get rid of this draft because for some reason it's already listed, yet it still has a draft. One of those eBay bugs, right? Delete. And that doesn't even give you an opportunity to, are you sure you want to delete? Which is interesting. And is there a delete trash bin, recycle bin, 30-day pending, change your mind? I don't see any of that. That's interesting. But anyway, that's how you delete a draft on eBay via the app. Like I said, not super intuitive. So I hope this helped. And you can help me by liking, subscribing, hyping, super chatting or whatever it is called, or maybe just watch a couple other videos. I've got thousands. Thanks for watching.